Okay, so we have a tournament report around 14 until 18 November 2023, and we start with this Snake Eye deck, and I feel like this deck is interesting, and this is like old build, um, and I fix this list, and I feel yeah, this filler is not needed in my opinion, and you have less brick cards. So this is the advantage about this deck, different with Rescue S. If you don't really like Rescue S, I recommend to you to play this deck. Uh, if you play Rescue S, sometimes your Rescue S spell or trap is sometimes is break. And with this deck, you have a less break cards because almost everything is starter and hand trap. So that's why this deck is really cool, and this deck have a lot of combo lines. So I think I will share more about this, and you can play around Nibiru even though you don't have like chat synchro to summon Savix or Baron, and I will share the combo like in next video. Next, we have purely Fire King. This is like old Fire King list, and I believe people right now move to play Fire King Snake Eye list because they have less brick cards and have more starter in deck. Horus Pure, Salon Force. Salon Force is doing good, but right now this build is uh, split with two variant. First is pure variant, second is dogma variants. Pure variant is they change this dogma engine with pot of extra, and you can put more hand trap in this deck. So that's the pure variants. Next, Rescue S. I believe Rescue S right now is play Super Poly in main deck, and they don't play Impam or Valor anymore because I think it's a weak against Underdeck. Even though in mirror match, Valor or Impam is really weak because the usual Rescue S field right now. They usually have Little Knight in extra monster zone, and you can summon Turbulence or summon Little Knight before Turbulence is like mandatory in this combo lane. So let's say your opponent try to negate Turbulence in response Turbulence effect. You can change Little Neck and banish Turbulence plus Little Neck, so you can avoid it. But with this princess, this Togahime, this link 3, um, let's say your opponent try to Impom or Valor before they activate Turbulence effect. Um, you can use Turbulence plus Little Neck to summon Princess, and you can summon Turbulence again and use it effect because you still not use it in this turn, so you can still set 4. So that's the idea about it, and that's why well, people right now don't play like Valor or Improv anymore, and Sport Volley is doing good in Mirror Match, in Fire King, in Magician Labyrinth, anything else. This Super Poly is really strong, and that's why most deck right now play Super Poly. Next, Magician. I think this is FTK build, and I like the idea about this resort. Even though I feel like it's a bit hard to summon this because you need 3 level 7, but I think that's why he play 2 cat in here. And this resort is for replacement out as Vortex package because you only need this one. Because if you play Vortex, you need 2 slots, so that's why he played it. Next Rexius, and as you can see, I already explained on this build right now, and people only play 6 hand trap. Impulse is basically is hand trap, and um, it's rescue as in name, so I think Impulse is still good in this deck. And okay, I forget to mention about this Hydran. I feel like to its optimal number or maximum number, because you have lot of starter, you have bonfire and wanted in here, so 2 it's enough, I think. Next we have Naturia Horus. Yeah, this deck is like underrated actually, because this deck is really weak against troll, and with this deck you can make Calamity combo in opponent turn. Let's say you open this 3 plus Imseti, you can make huge board. I think I want to share with this combo later maybe. Next Rescue S, I already explained about this list. This is like become a standard build right now for Rescue S deck. And yeah, as you can see, this two, he only put talent in main deck instead, and to make 42, and don't play like Impam or Valor. Troll too much better, and Nibiru too much better than Impam or Valor. Gospel is still needed because you can use it against Labyrinth and another Rescue S with similar build. Next tier, this deck is not meta anymore, but you can play in this if you if you like this deck, and I feel like this deck is still fun to play. I think, and yeah, you need to play danger in this deck. Next, Snake Eye. Okay, so he don't share his extra and side. Goblin Rider, or maybe you can, this. He only play few Goblin Rider monster, and he plays Yamin. I don't know how to call this deck. Hamon or something. This one is also weird. I don't know what this deck is. Akvin maybe. Next we have this tier plus Luna and Imseti. I already said about this deck on my video, and I feel like this is fun to play this deck, especially with Luna like engine. Next, okay, so this is what I talking before. This is like I believe this is like a best fire game build, because you don't need to play Barong under brick cards, and you can max out this Snake Eye S. But for extra, it's not updated yet, because people right now try to play Zealandis in this deck, and I believe we will get Zealandis in extra deck. I also test Zealandis in my Snake Eye too. Okay, so why Zealandis? Because you can banish reset all monster on the field, and it will trigger this Togahime or this princess, and destroy opponent monster with it, with with this effect in graph. So that's the idea about it. Next, Phantom Knight with I believe like a 4 Goblin Rider monster. Hero, Crystal Beast, and their Horus. Okay, so he play Needlebug. This is interesting because you can mill 5 with it. Next, their Danger. Silent Force. Okay, so that's why I usually not explain every deck or cards because it will waste a lot of time. So this time I will just share different build like unique build or something else. Blackwing Horus. This is like a best Blackwing list right now. You need to play Horus in this deck. Next, Snake Eye, Valiance, Van Quisol, Matulje plus Horus. Okay, so this is interesting actually. I think I think this is the first time I saw Matulje plus Horus cat top purely Magician with Secret Village in side deck. You can search Secret Village with this Majesty because you have this Ignitor in main this extra deck. Fire King, Magician, Snake Eye, next Chimera Horus, next we have Unchained with Kaiser Coliseum, interesting. Next Mekango, Snake Eye, Rescue S, Sky Striker, next Fire King, next Magician, and he may take a Retribute. Magician with Gamma in Mantek, Natural Horus, Rescue S, another Rescue S with Bonfire, of course. Most of Rescue S list is play Bonfire. Silent Force, he may take 1 Super Poly. It's weird he only play 1 Super Poly. I feel like you can play 2. Maybe he don't want to open multiple Super Poly when going first, maybe. Next, we have Mikanko, Rescue S, Fire King, Rescue S. Next, Rescue S. Next, Spiral Horus, interesting. Okay, he play Bridge Engine. This is interesting too, because with Bridge Engine you can search Spiral Resource. Yeah, this is interesting actually. Magician, Salaman Grid. Next we have Unchained, Centurion Naturia, Fire King, Rescue S, Magician, he may take 2 Super Poly. Rescue S. Orcus, purely with 2 Nip, 2 Valor. Therion Horus, Rescue S. Fire King with Snake Eye. Snake Eye with skill drain in main deck. Yubel. So this is like a reference if you want to play this Yubel plus Horus. Castera. Next, Rescue S with 2 Troll in main deck. Magician. Trap Tricks plus Horus plus Labyrinth. Bikanko with Ip in main deck. Salamangreat. Magician. Snake Eye. Fire King. Unchained. Snake Eye. Horus Pure. Unchained with okay. Rescue S with Auroton Engine. Salamangreat. Manatium. Adaman, I think, or Naturia maybe. Naturia Vernus Sleep. Snake Eye. Rika. Scarecrow plus Tripri. Silent Force. Purely with 2 Pistol. This is for Master Duel. Fire King Snake Eye. Rescue S and Fire King. Labyrinth, then Tyr. Next, Rescue S. And then we have Fire King. Next, Rescue S. Next, we have Blackwing, Fire King, Rescue S. Next, Dragon Link. Then DTT, interesting. Next, we have Therion Horus. Next, well, we have Rescue S. Next, Naturia Horus. And Dragon Link, 60 cards. Then Purely. Okay, so I think I will stop in here because from here it is from 19 November. So see you in the next one.